stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to do some masking with our framelits. This is a brand new bundle that's available right now. And let me show you the stamp set. This is the stamp set called Blended Seasons. Beautiful. And we're using this flower right here. And this also comes in a bundle with the Stitched Seasons framelits. And this is the framelit that we're going to use today on this masking part of the card. So I love this framelit because I don't know if you're familiar with our past framelits, but the lots of labels got retired, and this framelit is an open framelit, which is what I love. So this is available right now. Like I said, it's available in the bundle, or you can buy them individually. And this is only available until August 31st. Okay. And then here's the flyer. If you want more information on these items, the link below is in the description box. So this is the one we're going to make today. This is using, let me show you the colors. We're going to be using the Daffodil Delight, the Mango Melody, and then also the Cajun Craze. So those are the three colors that we're going to use for this card. And then this one, I'm going to show you those colors. This one is using the Highland Heather, the Bermuda Bay, and then also the Coastal Cabana. So those are those three colors for this one. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let me give you the measurements. We're going to use 2 pieces of the Whisper White. One of them is the thick Whisper White for the template. And these are both cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then for the measurements of the card, the Daffodil Delight is cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Then the basic black is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then the Mango Melody is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, and then the Whisper White piece will layer on top of that, like that. All right, so first we're going to go ahead and grab our Big Shot. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut our template. Remember, this is the 3 3/4 by 5. And we're going to take the largest framelit, and this is the Stitch Season framelits. We're going to layer that right in the middle of that piece. That looks pretty good. I'm going to run that through the Big Shot. Okay, so you can keep this piece for another card or another project, and we're going to use this piece for the template. So let's go ahead and move the Big Shot. Okay, so I went ahead already and did one, and what I did is I'm going to add some temporary adhesive or repositionable adhesive on the back of my template, and this I got from Staples. You just need a little bit just to hold that in place, and then you're going to layer this template over top of your Whisper White piece. This is the 3 3/4 by 5. I'll lay that right over top of that. Okay, so we're going to grab our sponges, and I'm going to grab some grid paper because we're going to be sponging. And I'm going to start with the Mango Melody color first. So that's like the medium shade. And I'm going to grab my sponge, and on my template I'm just going to add the ink in the middle section first. And then we're going to add the darker and then the lighter after that. Okay, so next we're going to use the Cajun Craze, and I'm going to apply the Cajun Craze on the bottom section. Okay, the next color is the Daffodil Delight. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this section open. So when I remove the template, remove that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it. Okay, so we're going to bring in our flower. Remember, this is from the Blended Seasons right here. So beautiful. We're going to use the Memento ink. And since this flower is going to cover a lot of this image, I used a smaller greeting, which this stamp set does have many beautiful greetings in the stamp set, but I thought I would use a really small one. And this is from the Very Vintage, and this is a hostess only stamp set, and it's Your Blessing right there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stamp the flowers. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stamp this over to the left. Make sure my flowers are facing the right way. Stamp it right up there. So beautiful. All right, now we're going to take your blessing and I'm going to stamp it right about here. Hopefully this is going to be straight. Looks pretty good. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add some Wink of Stella. Okay, so beautiful. Now this is the decision that you're going to have to make as far as the base of your card. So I cut one out with the base with the Mango Melody and then the layer with the Daffodil Delight, so you can see the difference. So this is using this one here, so you can see that. And then this one is with the Mango Melody with the base, with the layer. Isn't that beautiful? That's the one we're going to use today. So I'm going to go ahead and put this onto the base. Okay, so isn't that beautiful? So there's that one, and then here's these two right here. This is the same one, and then this is using the Coastal Cabana and the Highland Heather with the Bermuda Bay. So then here's this card that I made for my card sketch number 38 using the same stamp set. Isn't it beautiful? But I just layered all the flowers. Gorgeous. And then once again, here's the brand new bundle. It's the Color Your Seasons bundle. Blended Season stamp set with the Stitch Season Framelits. Buy them in a bundle. And then also on that flyer you're going to see the watercolored pencils that are also available. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do some masking with your framelits. So you're going to get extra mileage from your framelits, not only to cut but to also do some masking. Okay, so I'll have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.